Check out this huge happiness cuckoo clock. It comes in a beautiful gift box and it's ready to be put up on the wall. Buy yourself 3 C-sized batteries and quickly install. The cuckoo clock comes well packed and looks great upon receiving.
Check out the cool cuckoo clock.
I'm so excited for it to start.
We're gonna watch the cuckoo come out of the clock. It chirps and it makes music.
Wow, that was so cool. The music and everything. Anyways, bye for now. Thank you for watching our video. Bye!
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.